Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make coleslaw sandwich. This is a great recipe for breakfast, brunch or an evening snack. So first we are gonna prepare the chicken. Marinate the chicken pieces with salt, black pepper powder, and ginger garlic paste. All the recipe quantities are given in the description box below. We have retained the oil for frying the chicken. Pour oil to a heated tawa. And add in the chicken pieces one by one. Chicken is wholly optional in this recipe. It may be substituted with cottage cheese or paneer or altogether omitted. However, I like to add it as it gives a good protein kick to the recipe. Cook the chicken on both sides. Once the chicken is cooked, shred it and keep it aside. For the coleslaw, I've taken finely shredded vegetables. I have capsicum, carrot and cabbage. You may use any vegetable of your choice. I have shredded chicken over here, salt, fresh cream and mayonnaise. Coleslaw translates to cabbage salad in Dutch language, so we have retained the cabbage. Other vegetables may be taken according to choice or seasonal availability. Mix in the vegetables, chicken and the salt together. Add in the mayo and fresh cream. Mix thoroughly. Coleslaw salad is very healthy and refreshing and tastes great in sandwiches. You may also have it as a salad or a side dish. For the sandwich, take any type of sliced bread. You may use wheat bread or multigrain or white bread, depending on your health preference. This sandwich can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days and can be half chilled or at room temperature. I personally prefer the chilled sandwich as it tastes so much more refreshing. Slice the coleslaw sandwiches and your go-to healthy recipe is now ready to be served.